Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr., CEO of Harrington Group International. Today, in about 90 seconds, we'll explain what quality management software QMS is and why it's a game changer for your business. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It helps us deliver you more great content. Now let's dive into the show. 1. What is QMS? Quality management software, like HGI's HQMS, is a digital platform that centralizes quality processes. It automates document control, tracks non-conformances, manages corrective actions, and ensures compliance with standards like any ISO standards, DoD, automotive, or FDA regulations, streamlining operations for manufacturers. 2. Why use it? QMS boosts consistency by standardizing processes, reducing errors and rework. It ensures regulatory compliance, cuts costs with automation, and provides real-time analytics for data-driven decisions. Plus, it enhances customer satisfaction and scales with your growth, mitigating risks effectively. In our conclusion, for 2025, QMS is essential for staying competitive and compliant. Discover how HQMS can transform your quality management. Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.